Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be hacks for your toddler or baby's nursery and ways to organize it. This is also a collaboration with my friend that I've met here on YouTube. We've done one collab already and her name is Catherine and her YouTube channel is Dubai Expat Mummy. She actually just had her baby boy today, I want to say. So I am filming this on... Today's Tuesday, so this will be up around Friday, and go over to her page and just tell her hey and congratulations on that beautiful baby boy that you just had. I apologize for the way I look, for the way my daughter's room looks. We are having real life over here in this household. My husband has the shingles, my daughter has hand, foot, and mouth disease, and I am just sitting here like, I don't want to get anything. So I've been taking care of a little bit of everything, so that's why I'm in sweatpants and I've been barfed on, and you know, it's just, that's life. That's what you get when you have a family. So I'm trying to film this video and just kind of get it out to you guys, and I kind of wanted to go over some hacks that I had that I used for Emma's room. Now we are going to be changing her room around probably in the next 6 months or so. You know, taking her to the toddler bed and just kind of getting the rocking chair out of her room and stuff like that. But first hack that I want to share with you guys. My first hack is this 3-tier system. So I have Emma's dresser right here, and sorry if you can hear them, like, she's taking a bath right now and the lighting really sucks because it is nighttime at the moment. But this right here, I bought this I think at Home Goods, and when she was younger I had way more stuff on it, but right now I keep like thermometers, I have sunscreen, these are the thermometer covers, we have some headbands, this is like stuff to her little light that goes on the ceiling, Neosporin, just like random little things. I have her hair ties over here. But when we do her room makeover, I'm probably either going to put like toys or something on there because she's starting to get to the point where she reaches it. And that's why there's not so much things on it now, but it worked great when she was a baby. I would have extra diaper cream sitting over there and everything like that, and it would just be really good to have that at hand. My second tip here, so I know a lot of people don't like the changing table connected to the crib. Me and my husband prefer it better this way because I rather change a baby, see, we'll use George here, I'd rather change a baby at this angle than from the side. I can't do it. Like, I don't like it. I don't like it when I have to go to a store and do it like that. So this is how I like it. If you have one of these types of cribs, obviously this is where we put all of diaper changing stuff. I have nighttime diapers, I have regular diapers. I always have a big tub of the Aquaphor, extra wipes, and boogie wipes, and some just extra stuff. But since we know we have that all in there, I have also put a shelf at the top. And this is where I have like her lotions at hand, I got her hairbrushes, we have some oil that she wears at night, we have different creams, nasal spray, nail clippers, and that also kind of gives me something like when she's getting annoyed with sitting there getting changed, because we actually still use it, and she's almost 17 months old, no, almost 19 months old now. She's still like, she doesn't mind, she still fits up there. I grab things off and I let her hold them, and that keeps her distracted. For my third hack is, so we have her bookshelf here, and obviously she has a lot of books, but this is where I keep her shoes. And there's no like particular order. The girl doesn't have that many shoes right now, and she definitely needs some new ones, but because I mean, we got sandals and whatnot, it is totally not sandal weather. But this works for me, especially when I'm getting her dressed here. I can just easily reach over, grab a pair of shoes. She's already laying down. It's just always worked for us, and I never knew what else to actually put in there. Another hack that I really like, and anybody can do this, anybody can do any of these hacks, but if you have an IKEA near you, I highly suggest that you go buy these. So this is what I bought at IKEA. And this was just one set. So one set comes with 2 of these long like inserts, 2 of these tiny inserts, and then 2 big ones. So this is where I keep all her pants. And right now she has so many pants. Like, she's in between sizes, and then I have sizes that are too big for her because I bought them at a good price. Over here we have all our pajamas, we have swimsuits in the back, and this is a mixture of like big girl panties and pants, but they are great for socks. I mean, like super great for socks. So this is where I've always kept her pant sets, swimming suits, and her socks. So I'm actually thinking about when we redo her room, I'm going to change up her drawers a little bit. And I'm going to probably get her more of those IKEA things because she's getting more and more socks, and you lose some, you gain some. So it's just a good organized system. And lastly, all that I have for you guys as another hack that I have used is if you have a girl, you know you're gonna have a lot of bows. Now, Emma doesn't wear a lot of like headbands and stuff at this moment. Oops. Just one fell all the way down. But she does have a couple still, and I went to Hobby Lobby and I bought this. I think it was on clearance for like $2.40, but it's amazing. Like, it works great for her bows. And Emma's more of a girl now where she just wears like these barrettes, and I've just threw them in this little jar that somebody sent us. My husband's work actually sent us. It had flowers in it when she was born, and it got sent to us in the hospital. So I thought that was a cute jar, and I just put those in there. But if you have a little girl, yeah, she's crying, but my husband has her. If you have a little girl, this is actually a really, really good idea. They have lots of ideas on Pinterest, but this was just a simple, easy, I didn't really have time to make something, and $2.50 was totally worth it at Hobby Lobby. So I hope you guys like this video. If you want to see more hacks like this, let me know, give it a thumbs up. I have tons of places like her playroom, everything like that, that I do hacks in, that I keep it super organized. I'm a very organized person. Thank you for watching. Subscribe if you have not, and please go check out Catherine's because she has some really good hacks to show you guys. I will see you later. Bye.